Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and it's Shamir here from Tech Taste and today we are in the cyber cell in Inventory Element and themeforest.net and we are discussing about the theme. This theme are 50% cyber sale offer. This theme are offered now in the Black Friday deals for Envato marketplace. And today here is the ultimate WordPress theme. Already 2,25,869 sales. Already persons are given 4.76 ratings here and it's updated, well documented, and regular license price is 89 dollar. After discount is 44 just this Black Friday deal. So hurry and buy this from if you can build an WordPress theme from ultimate WordPress theme, and you can this theme are uses for multiple uses for any kind of your site. Gradient builder, new start screen, outline models, masonry layout, corner, and most advanced builder in WordPress. And here is the Gutenberg, no Gutenberg optimization, high resolution, compatible versions, and also extended support to 12 point already $12 is for the PowerPoint author theme co. And also this very much good very much useful theme for your WordPress site building. You can any kind of recent template use there, pre-made use template, and build your site from this now 50% offer. Let's so hurry now. I'm grow from the Soledad for 50% offer multi-purpose newspaper blog on WooCommerce WordPress theme by Pen Citizen, 58,000 sales, now $29 for, and regular price 59. Extended support, you can also, there's a 50% discount now, cyber sale offer, and OpenAI 6,000 plus homepage demos and cyber sale are active now from this Soledad Prince design. And there's also a blog magazine you can create from the WordPress site and multi-purpose newspaper and WooCommerce site. Then go from this Soledad from my description link and create your newspaper or blog site or WooCommerce site for this theme and build pre-made website for also you can this year for Elementor. WoodMart, there's a very WoodMart theme are most popular for the shop from the WoodMart theme, especially the multipurpose WooCommerce theme. You can build your shop or shop site from your online sales. You can create here from this theme pre-made themes. These themes are for only one site or and now 50% offer. Also this is on 50% offer $29 and extended $6.38, and this is the X Tomos Gutenberg optimization. Yes, and there is a lot of template here also here with more theme. You can go create and reviews also 4.91. I think this is very perfect for your WooCommerce site or website. Also now going to the Porto multipurpose, and is also a multipurpose WooCommerce theme, $29. And Porto, this is also a 50% offer deals now for an in by two, and lot of pre-made software, 4.92 rating, average rating, and 1 lakh sale plus sales, well documented. Also there was extended support you can create here for P themes. UDesign multipurpose WordPress theme and $29. Also this is a 50% offer. UDesign WooCommerce AI content writer, Elementor, and speed builder. Recently 55,960 sales and rating 4.65 and well documented. Also there was and some 50% offer corporate demo. It was create for the multipurpose WordPress theme and build your site. Total responsive multipurpose WordPress theme, there was a $29 again. This is a 4.86 review and WP Explorer, features modules and cards and travel blog or any kind of multipurpose using themes here is pre-made happy 44,000 happy customer. If go from this smiley and buy this theme. And Kalium 3 creative WordPress WooCommerce theme 47,182 cells, Elevator, our builder, and 4.94 rating reviews. And this is WordPress Elementor WooCommerce, WP Man, WP Bakery, Creative Reusable section, and $59. And regular price is 119. And this is the Laborator are built from this Gutenberg compatible Firefox, Safari, Opera, Chrome, and Edge. And you can get from my link and check it for all the 50% of a deal. And these themes are, if you can get it, go from this link and buy this. Thank you.